idea to get payback.
Okay, go.
No.
Go, Craig.
With the balls down.
Man up.
Go, Craig.
Man up.
Come on.
Don't you do it. Look at those.
What kind of, you got hair on your peaches or what?
Come on, Craig, go. You know I'm a bad aim. I'm not going to hit you anyhow.
Hey, I threw one small
Craig,
ball.
go.
I got a headache.
Go.
Oh
Oh, God.
God. I almost ran into the wood. Again.
One more time.
Don't throw snow at, oh.
Hunker up.
Ah.
Are we ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh. You want to get yet?
Yep.